You ever come across something so clean, so futuristic, you have to double-check if it's even real? That's how I felt when I first saw the 2025 ELETTRA 1200 camper van. From the outside, it looks like it just rolled off the set of a sci-fi movie. But it's very real, and it's making a bold statement in the world of mobile living. Let's talk design first. Sleek lines, matte finishes, and aerodynamic curves make it look like it's in motion even when parked. But the magic is really inside. The layout is genius, a fully modular interior that transforms depending on how you live. You've got a convertible bed system, fold-away workspace, an induction cooktop, and hidden storage tucked behind minimalist panels. It's luxury and logic rolled into one. Now, the power system is what really sets the ELETTRA 1200 apart. This thing is fully electric, with an impressive 300-mile range on a single charge. And it doesn't stop there. It's got a built-in solar array on the roof and an energy recovery system while driving. You could live off-grid for days without ever plugging in. And yes, I put that to the test on a weekend trip through mountain passes. The ride is ultra-quiet, smooth, and responsive. No engine hum, just clean power and confident handling. It feels less like driving a van and more like piloting a luxury EV. And the cockpit? A full digital dash with smart navigation, off-grid camp locators, and even climate control presets based on your destination. But it's not just tech for the sake of tech. It's all actually useful. You feel like this thing was designed by people who actually live on the road. Thoughtful lighting, acoustic insulation, even an optional rooftop deck for sunset views. It's as Instagrammable as it is livable. Is it perfect? Not for everyone. It comes at a premium price. And if you're looking for something more rugged or budget-friendly, this might not be your first pick. But if you're into clean energy, modern design, and living light without compromise, this might be your dream rig. Would I recommend the ELETTRA 1200? Absolutely. Especially for solo explorers or couples looking to travel smart, stay stylish, and leave a smaller footprint. If you want a full tour, behind-the-scenes look, or want me to compare this with other high-end camper vans, hit that like button and drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe. I've got more game-changing rigs coming your way every week.